Okay, so Romanian pancakes. We call them clatite. Very easy to make. For about 15 pieces, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 250 grams of flour, and best to use sparkling water when mixing them all together. Not the same consistency like the regular pancakes, a little bit more watery, so you can take the little and drop it into the pan and fry them and turn them. So your choice.
Flip them.
Well, flip them. Yeah, flip this. So we got the, or if you want white strawberry, whatever fruits, your choice, Nutella, you can use jam. And then you can also, kids love this, whipped cream. And then you roll it like pig in a blanket. And you can add chocolate or different type of syrups. You can either eat it like French people with knife and fork, or eat it like a
Cățărani.
Romanian savage.